Hey everyone, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the reply option button on your Instagram. Now, first thing you need to do is go to your inbox and go to a conversation. Once you're in the conversation page, select a message you wish to reply and long press it. Once you hit the long press, you will see a reply unsent and more options. So you click on the reply option and type on the message you want to reply and click send. And that's it. You can now enjoy sending messages to your friends using the reply option button. If you don't see this in your account, that means your app might not be updated. So you want to go check it to the Google Play Store and also in iOS. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.